like an ultra here. So, put here. Oh, it's nice. Oh my gosh. Here, Ollie. Oh. Next we got here this one. And it's just going to, it's the same. So let's see this first. Okay, it's the same thing, but it's not the same style. This one is like dragon. This one's like only right. This one, yes. This one's the same. This one is the same. So we got like this here, the tools, the wheels here, and this, and then the back there was ultra. It's a silver. Yeah, this is the ultra. Wait. Oh, malo. Wait. Where's it now? Oh no. So, okay, this. I think I got some here. Okay, it's not this. It's look like good. It's like the same to see. Right. Thank you guys. Like my subscribes more.